Good morning, my dear students. I expect all of you saw my yesterday's video. So before we begin today's lecture, let's revise some basics which I taught in yesterday's video. The Roman numeral system uses 7 basic symbols to write the number. Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals. I is equals to 1, B is equals to 5, X is equals to 10, L is equals to 50, C is equals to 100, D is equals to 500, M is equals to 1000. These symbols are used in different combinations to write numbers. There is no symbol for 0 in this system of numeration. Now some important rules which I repeat again. Some important rules which I repeat again are: number 1, repetition of symbols means addition. Number 2, V, L and D are never repeated. Number 3, V, L and D are never subtracted. Number 4, I is never written on the left of L, C and D. Number 5, symbol can be added to and subtracted only from D and M. Students, if you didn't understand these rules, then watch my yesterday's video. There I explain these rules in detail. Now I will start activity 1. This activity is in your book. Question number 1. Write in Roman numerals. 9 is write as IX. 12 is write as XII. Then 23 is write as XXIII. 39 is write as XXXIX. 61 is write as LXI. 99 as write as XCIX. XC is equals to 90 and IX is equals to 9, and we can say 99 is write as XCIX. Question number 2. Write in Hindu-Arabic numeral. VI is write as 6. As we know, V is equals to 5, I is equals to 1. So 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. XIII is equals to 13. As we know, X is equals to 10. I repeats 3 times, so its value is 3. 10 plus 3, that is equals to 13. XXIV, that is equals to 24. X is equals to 10. X is repeat 2 times, so its value is 20. I is equals to 1. V is equals to 4. As V is the greater value and I is the smaller value. So according to rule, the smaller value comes before the greater value, then we subtract. So 20 minus 4, then we get 20 plus 4, then we get 24. Here 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4. IV is used for 4 in Hindu Arabic numeral. Number D, XXXI, its value is 31. XL is equals to 40. L is equals to 50. X is equals to 10, and 50 minus 10, that is equals to 40 according to the rule. The smaller value comes before the greater value, then we subtract. LXI, that is equals to 61. L is equals to 50, X is equals to 10, I is equals to 1. And if we add all these, then we get 61. XCV equals to 95. As we know, XC is equals to 90 and V is equals to 5. So 90 plus 5, that is equals to 95. Students, remaining questions of activity 1 solve in your homework notebook. Now in activity 2, question number 1, write in Roman numerals. 95. First we write in expanded form 90 plus 5. 90 we write in Romans as XC, and for 5 we write V. So 95 is written as XCV. 289. In 289, first we write in expanded form 200 plus 80 plus 9. As we know, students, C for 100 and CC is used for 200. And for 80, we write L, X, X, X. And for 9, we write I, X. So 289 is written as CC, L, X, 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 I, X. In 467, first write in expanded form 400 plus 60 plus 7. 400 we write symbols C, D, and for 60 we write L, X. For 7 we write V, I, I. So 467 is written as C, D, L, X, V, I, I. In 1038, first we write in expanded form of this number is 1000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 8. For 1000 we write M. In Roman numeral there is no symbol for 0, and for 30 we write X, 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 and 8 we write V, I, I. So 1038 is written as M, X, 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 V, I. Question number 2, write in Hindu Arabic numeral. In XLII is equals to 43. as you know, XL is equals to 40 and III is equals to 3. So its value 43. In CXXXV is equals to 135. Students, as you know, the value of C is 100, the value of X is 10, and here X repeats 3 times, so we write 30 and the value of V is 5. We add these 3 and we get 135, or we can say the value of CXXXV is 135. Similarly, in CXV we write 115. C for the value of C is 100, the value of X is 10, and the value of V is 5. We add these 3 and we get 115. So we can say the value of CXV is equals to 115. In MDXXV, that is equals to 1725. M is equals to 1000, D is equals to 500, X is equals to 10, and here X repeats 2 times, so its value is 20. And the value of V is 5. If we add all the 4 numbers, then we get 1725, and we can say MGXXV is written as 1725. Students, solve remaining part of question number 1 and question number 2 in your homework notebook, and solve question number 3 in your book.